Amazing drift driver. You can feel the preciseness of the engineering. You've got real control.
7X is an extremely comfortable car. You can sit back, relax, and a lot of leg room.
I like the car, I like the feeling, I like the exterior and the interior of the car.
And I just drove the ZEEKR 7X. It's an interesting electric SUV. I think it's a very responsive vehicle, very sporty, but also very comfortable.
This is an amazing product. It's very nice, very fast.
It's very easy to drive. It's very stable.
Comfortable car and steering wheel is sport. I hope to see that Thailand is very good car.
This is one of the most exciting cars that I've been wanting to drive.
I know and I'm sure that when this car is in Colombia, everyone is going to look at it when it's in the street. So I can't wait to drive this car in Colombia.
사실 외관도 진짜 예쁜데 타보니까는 더 완전 매력이 업 되더라고요.
이렇게 mix degan shag'an o'tbasliq minivenda birinchi ret ko'rdim dizayni qattiq unadi.
And I love it, yeah.
This is really perfect for the families.
I just drive a FR, right? Model. It's the best.